high riders. In this video, I'll walk you through how to install the main unit with different mounts, as well as how to use the sunshade and tempered glass protector to provide a better riding experience. We offer multiple mounting solutions based on different bike models and installation position. These include handlebar clamp mount, crossbar mount, top triple clamp mount, and also a dedicated sunshade and tempered glass protector. The handlebar clamp mount comes with 3 sizes of rubber inserts. Choose the correct insert based on your handlebar diameter. If your handlebar diameter is 32 mm, no insert is needed. Before installation, choose the mounting position based on your riding preference. First, attach the main unit to the mount and tighten it. Then place the rubber insert onto the handlebar. Install the clamp mount onto the handlebar and secure it. Finally, adjust the angle and tighten both the clamp and the rotating joint screws. The crossbar mount is designed for 12 to 13 mm crossbars. First, remove the motorcycle windshield. Then secure the mount using the 4 screws. Adjust the angle based on your riding preference, and fully tighten the screws in a diagonal order. The top triple clamp mount includes 2 sets of expansion sleeves, compatible with 12 to 18 mm and 18 to 24 mm inner diameters. Before installation, make sure the mounting hole is straight through and does not have internal tabs or stops. If there are any obstructions, do not install this mount. Step 1. Remove the upper part of the mount and attach it to the main unit. Step 2. Install the lower part of the mount onto the motorcycle's top triple clamp position and tighten it securely. Step 3. Reattach the upper part. Adjust the angle based on your riding preference. Then insert and tighten the screws. Screen protector installation. First, use the included cleaning kit. To clean the screen thoroughly, peel off the backing film, align it with the screen, and gently press it down. It will automatically adhere. Sunshade installation. Hook the lower clips of the sunshade onto the main unit first. Then gently press the top part until you hear a click. Installation complete. To remove the sunshade, lift the lower clips first, then gently pry it off step by step.